Dapat mahilang sa daw ka.
7. It's UP against NU. Our UAP match.
Yung ka mga tagtubi local.
And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. UP versus NU. Oh, takin tayo. First position of UP, Marigran, De Los Santos. Yes, first shot on De Los Santos. He's the defending champion against NU. Salas. In and out. Inbound on to Tongo. This is our first game. It's UP against NU. De Los Santos. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, De Los Santos. 5-0. It's a 5-0 run coming from NU.
Bang.
In and out. Rebound on the Wonder Boy. Now, Wonder Boy to Tachongo. Tachongo goes to coast drive. It's traveling violation. Nice defense against NU. Now, Salas. Looking for Anas. Foul! Foul on number 10 to 1 on Tachongo. First on Tachongo. First team foul against UP. Inbounding Salas. Salas drive, 10 to shoot. Sumale. Salas again, in and out, rebound on De Los Santos. 8 minutes and 20. Now the captain Marigran. Setting a play, back to De Los Santos. Looking for Tachongo. Loy drive, Loy, yes on Loy. 7-0. It's a 7-0 run coming from UP. Foul on number 8 on Louis. First on Louis. Second team foul against UP. Seven minutes and 58 seconds. First basket of NU. Now 7-1. 6-point lead on UP. Marigran. Los Santos back to Marigran. Now Tachongo. Guarded by 2. 10 to shoot. Wonder Boy. Too strong by Wonder Boy. Rebound by Anas. Now it's 4-2 by NU. Drive NU. Yes, nice run, nice fake. It's 3-7. 4-point lead on UP. Los Reyes. Fake. Tachongo attempt for 3. Air ball short. Tachongo again. Fake. Drive. Tachongo escape. Tachongo block. Pow! Foul on the break on Peralta. First on Peralta. First team foul against NU. First shots coming from Tachongo. 8-3. 5-point lead back to UP. 7 minutes and 14 seconds. 2 out of 2 coming from Tachongo. 9-3. 6-point lead on UP. Salas. Sambilay drive, back to Sumalde, airball, rebound on Tachongo, baseball pass. Loy, all alone, all the way, Loy, yes on Loy. Now 11-3. 8-point lead now against UP. Salas to Anas. Down! Nice pass coming from a short top. Now Lloyd. Lloyd drive goes to coast on the lumber by Lloyd. It's 13-3. 10-point lead on UP. Salas. 1-1 by Wonderboy. Salas. Looking for Sumalde. Anas. Open jump by Anas. In and out. Rebound on Margaran. Lloyd, the lumber boy. Bang! Basket count and 1 on the lumber boy. Second team foul on NU. First on number 13. Six minutes.
Sabi ko kung kay Paul, tingnan mo.
Rebound by Anas. Anas. Now Salas. Salas. Drive. Salas. What a drive coming from Salas. 5-15. 10-point lead on UP. This is our first game. First match for our UAAP. Season 4 may basketballista Tadjongo. Thank you, shoot. Lloyd. High. Too strong by the Wonder Boy. It's NU ball, NU. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Now Salas. Short. Rebound on De Los Reyes. By Anas. Loverboy Lloyd. De Los Reyes back to Loverboy Lloyd. Loverboy Lloyd. Yes on the Loverboy. 17-5. It's 12-point lead against UP. Now Anas. Peralta.
Aywa.
Troubling violation 8. Timeout on NU. Our timeout is brought to you by Color Sports. Basketballista. And Rock Punk Abu Dhabi. Four minutes and 40 seconds. It's 17 against 5. All by defending champion UP. Mariguran. Pass, outlet pass to Talchonko. Too strong by Talchonko. Anas. Now Anas. 1-on-1 by Lloyd. Nice pass. Oh! Again, not again by you and you. Talchonko. Now it's 5-on-4. Talchonko goes to go. Strike. Pass outside. Yes on De Los Reyes. De Los Santos, 19-5. Nice steal again on UP. Mariguran. Looking for the Wonder Boy. Still by Salas. Salas. Now 4-3. 4-on-1. Salas. Salas came short. Rebound on Peralta. Anas. Yes on Anas. 7-19. It's 8-point lead on UP. 12-point lead on UP. Short. Anas. Now Anas dribbling. Anas drive. Anas goes to goes. Hook. Top. Rebound on Talchonko.
Lalaki din kasi nila.
Now Loverboy Lloyd. The Loverboy. Drive. Loverboy escape. Loverboy Lloyd. 21 against 17. Salas again. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Salas. 21-10. Talchonko, favorite drive. Talchonko, 23-10. It's 13-point lead on UP. Nice! on the Wonder Boy. Now Tanchongo. Tanchongo again. Favorite. Nice fake. Louis 1-1. Louis fake. Fake 2. Not Tanchongo. Bang! Basket count 1 on Tanchongo. Foul on number 19. 13 on Salas. 13 foul on Edu. Now Salas. Again short. Rebound on UP. Now De Los Santos to Labarloy. Labarloy hang time. Short. Anas. Anas to Salas. 2-on-2. Salas. Mariguran. Now Mariguran. It's 4-on-3. Mariguran looking for De Los Santos. Short. Now and you. 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Sambilay.
Sambilay. Again. It's too cold for Sambilay. Tanchongo. Favorite layup. Block by Peralta. Loy. 10 to shoot. Salas. Now Salas. 3-on-2. Salas drive. Salas short. Foul. Foul on number 13 on Salas. Warning for penalty on SNU. Now Loverboy Louie. Tanchongo again. Foul. Foul on number 8 on Peralta. Second on Peralta.
Ganda nga basa eh kasi
1 minute and 4 seconds. Now Anas. Skate. Yes! Oh, Nanas. 12-25. It's 13-point lead on UB. Tanchongo drive. Stop, pop. Yes, on Tanchongo. 27-12. 35 seconds. Anas. Tap again, Mariguran. It's 4-2. Back to kick out pass. Loverboy. Bang! On the Wonder Boy. 30 against 12. Anas. Pass to. It's traveling violation. 11 seconds. 10. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! And now for first quarter, our score is 33 against 12, all by UP. Second quarter ready, second quarter. Pasukin nyo na, yung captain nyo. It's NU ball, NU. It's 33-12. All by UP. Now welcome back to our captain. Middle. Ball game. Now Kalachuchi. Lacson. Too strong. Rebound on the captain. Di Torres. Now we'll see the play. Captain Medel. Back to Di Torres. Di Torres. Guarded by 2. Captain Medel. Hesitate. Drive. Back. Intercepted by Calajucci. Now Samoy on the ball game. Lacson. Now it's 4-2. Lacson. Pass to Calajucci. Calajucci, the signature move. Calajucci. Too strong. Top. It's same ball. And new ball. Now Samoy. Calajucci. Drive, 10 to shoot. Samoy, too strong, top. Now Samoy again. Samoy back to Alba pick. Alba looking for steal by the captain. Baseball pass. Carosale. Now 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Still our score. 33 against 12. Now Calajucci, the captain. Guarded by Carosale, the captain scoop, the captain drive. Whoa! Calajucci. Now 14-33. It's 19-point lead on UP. Too strong again by Foul. Foul on number 4 on Penetrante. First on Penetrante. First team foul on NU. 34 against 14.
Dalawa yan.
Galang yun.
Calajucci. Now Captain Medel is steal by Lacson. Lacson sighted. Drive short. Top by Samoy. 10 to shoot. 5. Rindon. Now on Escalante. Nice steal. Escalante. Short. Top. Carosale. Samoy on intercepted by Samoy. Now Calajucci looking for Alba. Alba escape. Alba. Now 16-34. It's 18-point lead on UP. Carosale. Too strong. Rebound on Alba. Now Alba. Pass to Lacson. Lacson escape. Nice pass to Samoy drive. Now the Samoy back. Time out. On UP. Now 34-18. 16-point lead on UP.
Maabutan kayo.
This time out is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and the Inkers, Abu Dhabi. Back to the ball game. Now Di Torres. Rindon, our winning MVP. Foul. Foul on Siruano Lacson. Second team foul on NU. First on Lacson. Di Torres. 1-1 by Lacson. 10 to shoot. Di Torres again. Fake. Di Torres. Foul. Bang! Basket count and 1 on Di Torres. Second personal foul against Penetrante. Third on NU. Oh, what a shot coming from Escalante. 38-18. Back to 20-point lead on UP. Calajucci, 200 shot, short, rebound on Alba. Alba drive, block, Samoy pick, Samoy same spot. In and out by Samoy. Now, Penitente. Penitente again. Looking for Samoy. 10 to shoot. Lacson. 5.
Shoot!
24 shot clock violation against NU. 5 minutes and 49 seconds.
5 na yun kanina pag hawak mo.
Rebound on Alba. Now Alba. Alba 1 and 1. Nice steal by Cruzale. Steal by Torres. Samoy. Samoy to Cruzale. Now Lacson. Lacson. Open jump. Lacson. Too strong. Top. Now Di Torres. Di Torres to Cruzale. Cruzale. Captain Medel. Captain Medel. First basket. Bang on Captain Medel. 14 to 18. It's 22-point lead against UP. Samoy. Alba, short. Rebound top by Samoy. It's UP ball, UP. 4 minutes and 50. All by UP. Now Di Torres. Looking for Gadasale. Rendon. Drive, stop, up, bang! Basket count and 1 on Rendon. Foul on Samoy. Basket time out there pa. First on Samoy. Now rebound on Samoy. Oh, he's still Penitente. Short by the captain. Now Alba. Rendon. It's Rendon. It's 4-2. Rendon goes to coast. Time out. On NU. It's 44 against 18. All by UP. And this time out is brought to you by Color Sports. Basketballista. And UP Adelpos. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's UP versus NU. Now Calatuche. Lacson. Penitente. Foul. Foul on Escalante. First on Escalante. First team foul on UP. Nice block. Bang! Basket count and 1 on Alba. Foul again on Escalante. Second on Escalante. Second team foul on UP. Now 21 to 44. It's 23-point lead on UP. Captain Medel. Again, rebound on Rosale. Back to Captain Medel. To Rendon. Too strong. Tap. Penitente. Calatuche. Lacson all the way. Yes, on Lacson. It's 23-44. 21-point lead on UP. Di Torres. Escalante. Back-to-back turnover on UP. 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Now, Calatuche. Calatuche looking for the signature shot. Short. Rebound on Rendon. Captain Medel. It's troubling violation on Captain Medel. 3 minutes. Samoy. Yo-yo move. Tap. Samoy again. Looking for Penetrante. Back to Lacson. Same spot. Short top. Carusale. Now Rendon. Counted by 2. Rendon. Now top by Alba. Rendon again. Rendon. Blank by Lacson. It's 14 to shoot. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Captain Midel. Oh! In and out. Samoy. Now Kalatuche. 3 on 3. 1 and 1. Ah, escape by Kalatuche. Signature shot. In and out again. Rebound on Captain Midel. Captain Midel to Escalante. Escalante hook shot. Now Penetrante. It's 3 on 1. Alba drive. Alba! 25 to 44. 19-point lead on UP. 2 minutes. Fourteen to shoot. Short. Rebound on Alba. Now Samoy. Lacson. Too strong. Top. Carusale. Now the Captain Midel. Stop up. Pass to Carusale. Escape. Carusale. In and out. Now Rendon. Back to De Torres. Back to Rendon. 10 to shoot. In and out again. Top. Captain Midel. 10 to shoot. Oh, De Torres. Now 46-25. Back to 21-point lead on UP. 1 minute. Alba. Air ball. Rebound on the Captain Midel. Steal by Kalatuche. Pass to Samoy. AC shot. All Samoy. 27-46. 19-point lead on UP. 40 seconds. It's lifting violation. Oh, De Torres. 33 seconds. 33.
Bing bang.
Too strong, Samoy. Too strong again. Top. Kalatuche. Wow. Foul on number 26 on Escalante.
Escalante third.
Third on Escalante. 13 foul on UP. Now 28-46. Point lead now, UP. Wow. Foul on number 14 on Kalatuche. Penalty.
Kalatuche first.
First personal foul against Kalatuche. Now 47-29. It's 11 seconds. (48) against 29. 5 seconds. Too strong. And for second quarter, our score it's 48 against the 29, all by UP.
Naman to.
Kini yung kinisa.
Break time, break time.
Third quarter. Lumber Boy. Wonder Boy. Short. Rebound on. It's NU ball. NU. Now, Kaludiche. Top. Rebound on Tanchongo. It's 48 against the 29. 19-point lead on UP. Comments. As Umakov, big. Nice easy shot coming from Umakov. It's 50 against the 29. Back to 21-point lead on UP. Salas. It's same ball, 14 to shoot. Kalajuche. Drive. Hunters. Yes, go Hunters. 31 against 50. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Now Loverboy. Looking for the Chonko. Umakov. Black. Nice defense on NU. 5 to shoot. It's Salas time. Salas time. Whoa! It's 33 to 50. 17-point lead now on UP. Wonder Boy now. Wonder Boy. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, no Wonder Boy. Karajuche. Top. Now comments. Wonder Boy. Now Wonder Boy to Lover Boy. Nice move by the Lover Boy. Big Lover Boy. Downside Umakov. Big Umakov foul. Foul on number 11 on Hunters. First against Hunters. 2 free throw shots for Umakov. Seven minutes and 39 seconds. 0-2. Coming from Umakov. Top. It's Tanchongo. Also goes. Favorite layup now. Intercepted. 200. Pass to Salas. Top. Kalajuche. Yes, son. Kalajuche. 35-53. 18-point lead steal by UP. Now Louis. Comments. Foul again on number 11 on Hunters. Second on Hunters. Second team foul against NU. Samo itu Kalajuche. Kalajuche. It's NU ball. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. All by UP. 18-point lead by UP. Louis. Now he's still again on Kalajuche. It's 3-on-1. Salas. Short up. Now Louis. Comments back to Louis. Open jump. In and out. Top. It's NU ball. Salas. From Kalajuche. Kalajuche pays. Take your shot. In and out again. Kalajuche. Still by Louis. Now Salas. Short. Samoy. Play. Bang! Good Samoy. It's 53-37. 16-point lead now on UP. 5 minutes and 41 seconds. Wonder Boy, same spot. Short. Now 1 and 1 on Wonder Boy, top. It's a new ball. 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Third quarter. Inbound ni Salas. Now Leones. Alam Chuche, favorite shot, too strong top. Now Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy to Tachoco. Baseball pass. Oh! 1 and 1. Foul. Foul on number 16 on Samoy.
Second Samoy.
Second on Samoy. Third against NU. Whoa! Basket count and 1 on Cummins. Foul again on Hunters.
Third Hunters.
Third on Hunters. Warning for penalty on NU. Now 56-37. Back to 19 point in again for UP. Salas. Too strong. Umagop. Labradoy. Black! By Salas. Now Salas. Looking for Leones. Leones all the way. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, Leones. Time out on NU. It's 56 against 40. Now 16 point lead on UP. And our official referee for today is Referee Manuel and Referee Apatan. And our sponsors, the Ink Curse, Basketballista, and Core Sports. It's 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Now Galang in the ball game. To Salas. Short. Ipan on De Torres. Now De Torres will celebrate. De Torres. It's a defending champion UP. Now Tanchonko. Bang! Foul on number 22. Oh, Leones. Where's El Leones? Warning for penalty on NU. Oh, Mago. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, no, Mago. It's 61 against 240. Alajuche. It's foul. Foul on Umakov, number 1. First on Umakov, first team foul on UP. Now 14 to shoot. Nice steal again on Tanchonko, De Torres. It's 3 on 4, 4 on 1, De Torres. Too strong. Again De Torres. De Torres fake. Look out! Substitution up, Sabrek. Substitution. It's 61 against 40. Now Galang. Looking for Leones. Same spot. Short. Top. Now De Torres. Guarded by Galang. Umakog. Alba. Oh, comments. De Torres. Short. Now, Leones. Alba. Nice ball by Alba. 62-1 for 42. Back to 19 point lead on UP. 3 minutes. Nice fake. Steal. Too strong. Bam. Foul on number 1. On Umagop. Second on Umagop. Second team foul on UP. Now Salas. Talaguche. Airball. Tap. Comments. Alba. Yes, on Alba. 2 minutes and 20. Di Torres. Martin Torres, tell to shoot. Umago. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Umago. 2 minutes. Now, Galang. Too strong by Galang. Now, Di Torres. 1 minute and 45. Time out on UP. It's 64 against 44. All again by UP. It's 1 minute and 43 seconds. 64 against 44. Now Alba. Salas. Too strong. Galang. Foul. Foul on Cummins. Third on UP. First personal foul on Cummins. UP draw shot given by Galang. 45-64. It's 19-point lead still by UP. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Short. Galang. Too strong again. It's Rendon to Titores. Comments drive. Comments cave. Comments. Stop. Titores. Oh, Rendon. Nice stop. 1 minute and 21. Reps up, reps up.
Injury.
1 minute and 21. Di Torres. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Di Torres. 67-45. Alba to Galang, Galang. Hey, Galang drive, Galang! Win it out again by Galang. Top, Salas. In and out again by Salas. Now back to Salas, pass to Alba, Alba. Alba now, 10 to shoot, 10! Salas! Air ball, it's Umago, 45 seconds. Foul! Foul on Pinitrante. Penalty.
4 Pinitrante 4.
Third personal foul on Pinitrante. 39 seconds. Awanas. Open court, Galang, Galang. Galang now, Galang drive. Nice score by Galang. Bang! On Galang. 25 seconds. 23 seconds, 23. 67 against 47. Now Galang. 1-1. Galang again. Escape. Galang short. 10 seconds. Five.
Go, hey!
Lindon. Bang! On Lindon. And now for third quarter, our score, it's 69 against 47. All by UP. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. It's a new ball and you. And we still were live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. This is our first game for our UAAP Season 4. It's NU against the defending champion UP. Now Galang. Galang Tuche. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Galang Tuche. Escalante to Tadjongo. Kadusale, Captain Midel. Back to Loverboy Lui. It's 10 to shoot. Count. It's 7 to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Tadjongo. Now Galang. Galang drive. Galang pass. Again, turnover again on NU. It's 9 minutes and 10. Still by Samoy. 9 minutes. 18 seconds, 18. Foul. Foul on Lacson. Ay, Sambibay. First on NU. First on Sambibay. 9 minutes. Now Loverboy Lui. Drive Loverboy. Pass to Escalante. Escalante tap. Loverboy. Foul. Foul on number 1 on Lacson. Second on Lacson. Second team foul against NU. 2 free throw shot from the Loverboy Lui. Now 70 against the 50. It's 20-point lead on UP. Now 71 to 50, 21-point lead on UP. 8 minutes, 45 seconds. Galang, 1 in Mamelui. Galang Tuche, signature shot! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Galang Tuche! 71-53. Foul! Foul again on number 16 on Samoy. Third on Samoy. Third team foul against NU. Inbounding on the captain. Pass to Loverboy, firing by 2. Loverboy, Steve by Loverboy, Cape. Loverboy now, Loverboy, looking for 10 to shoot. Captain Midel. 5. In and out. Carusale. Whoa! Carusale. 73-53. Back to 20 ball. Galang, drive, Galang. Steal by Galang. Galang now. Now Tadjongo. Tuloy the Loverboy Lui. 75-53. Back to 20-point lead on UP. Kalatuche. Nice move. Bang, 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 bang on Kalatuche. 75-56. Now it's 2-1. Lloyd to Escalante. Bang on Escalante. Now 77-56. 21-point steal by UP. Galang. Bang! Galang. 58-77. Now Wonder Boy. Guarded by Galang. Wonder Boy passes head to Escalante. Timeout! On NU. It's 79 against the 58. All by UP. It's 7 minutes. Now Galang. Galang to check. Saves back. Short. Top. De Torres. Now Mako. Mako fly. Mako. It's 81-58. Now 22-point lead. 23-point lead on UP. Now too strong again by Salas. Now Rendon. Rendon to De Torres. De Torres. 14 to shoot. Captain Minel. Short on the captain. Tanchogo. Reset 14 set clock. De Torres 10. Umago. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Umago. 6 minutes. Rebound on Redon. It's 5 minutes and 50 seconds. 84 against the 58. And Chongo, Brad, nice defense on Galang. Fake. Umago. Block by Galang. 10 to shoot. 5.
Nice one.
Top. Now Samoy. It's 2-1. Kalatuche. Salas. Time out. On UP, it's 84 against the 60. 24 lead, 13 on UP. And this timeout is brought to you by Inkers Abu Dhabi.
Tao sila.
De Torres. Umago.
Bigay na pick.
1-1. Nice clip into 10 to shoot.
Bigay na pick. Bang, bang.
Bang, bang. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, no, Mako! Alba, foul. Foul on the captain. Second team foul on UP. First on the captain. It's 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Now 61-87. 26-point lead on UP. Torres escape. 1-1 by Salas. Guarded by Samoy. 14 to shoot. 10. Steal by Salas. Salas is ball like a prize. Salas. It's UP ball. 4 minutes and 23 seconds. She's our defending champion UP against NU for our UAAP match by Basketballista. And our next game for our NCAA, it's Mapua versus our guest team, Low. 4 minutes.
Hindi pa pa niya. Pwede naman kisipain, di ba? Nanalo na nga sila eh. Attitude.
Galang.
Wala ka yan, galang!
Short. Ichong Makob. 1-1 by Alba. 3 minutes and 50. Foul. Offensive foul. Number 1 on Makob. Second on Makob. Third on UP.
Makob third.
Now Galang. Salas. Bang! Salas. 87-64. It's 23-point lead on UP. De Torres. 14 to shoot. 10. Foul. Foul number 14 on Kalatiche.
Kalatucci second.
Second on Kalatiche. Warning for penalty on NU. It's 3 minutes and 23 seconds. 87 against 64. Comments again. Comments. Nice defense on Galang. Now Kalatiche looking for Samoy. Wow! It's acrobatic shot coming from Samoy. Now Salas, 1-1 by De Torres. Salas, pull-out jump. Too strong top. Samoy top. De Torres. Nice move by De Torres. 3 minutes. Comments, top. Comments to Mako. Top. De Torres. It's same ball. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 14 reset shot clock. It's a new ball. NU. Short. Kalatuche again. That's signature shot. Kalatuche. 67 against 87. 66-87. 21 point lead on UP. Then to shoot. Air ball. Samoy. Pass to Kalatuche. Black by Mako. It's 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Shot into the left sub. Galang. Bang! Galang. 2 minutes. These last 2 minutes is brought to you by Inkers Abu Dhabi. 10 to shoot. 5. Samoy. Umako. 1 minute and 30. Labrador Black. Foul. Foul on number 16 on Samoy. Penalty.
Samoy for court.
Fourth personal foul on Samoy.
Pusing na oras eh.
Sab.
Hindi. Pusing na. Okay na yan.
Now 88 against 69. Against 69. Galang. Galang Duce. In and out, Alba. Yes, on Alba. 71 to 89. Now Lover Louis. Guard by 2. Still Galang. All alone by Galang. 73 to 89. It's 1 minute and 2 seconds. Ang Captain Medel. Laberloy. It's 81 to 73. 40 seconds. Samoy. Nice cut. In and out pa gan Samoy. Samoy pa. Foul on Umakob. Fourth on Umakob. 30 seconds. 74-91. In and out. Samoy again. What a move by Samoy. 76-91. Salas. Bang! On Salas. 11 seconds. And no more game or worse. UP 79 against 90.